like when you're riding the, the Peshawar Zoo. Same. But this is more up. You pin your ears now. Tell me now what you feel saying in the video na.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Babe, you know,
I don't know.
Earth is down.
Earth is down.
Yeah. Hello. Too much up.
Ha?
Too much up.
Too much up. Wala ka kasi sa window seat, babe. Babe, I'm happy for you. Congratulations. Now okay, ha? Now okay, ha?
Because I cannot see anything.
Yeah.
Yes, I sit in Honda.
Simula na ang K-Toretto with Jose. Finally traveling with someone! Baby na.
There are so much.
Let's go! Hoy, buisit naman. Tara mo sa kami binaba ng taxi. Nasa gitna kami ng daan.
But one day, inshallah, we are successful.
Hi! Sabi naman I love you. If I put boobs, you like or no?
This is your more good person.
Not the personality, the body nga. Tell me na why you don't like. For example, I like to put. What you say? Nahold si Usher sa immigration, he was old. We are the last one. What's your boarding pass? It's there? Oh, keep it inside. Keep it inside. Or just to let you know, almost all of the first-timers were offloaded. Ganun kahirap yung immigration.
I don't believe I go out of country. Allah, I thank you so much for Allah. And thank you also for you. Now it's okay. But after this, I don't know. Too much up.
Ha?
Too much up.
Too much up. Welcome to Malaysia. Wait, approve yung ano ni baby sa immigration. Inaabangan ko sa labas. Excuse me! Excuse me! Everybody! Welcome to!
Wala lang tol.
Parang saya! Na-check namin ni Usel yung plano namin na mag-travel internationally. Tawagan mo na tuloy. You can announce now. You can announce now. Finally!
Hello!
Babe, welcome to Malaysia!
Go long, baby, for love. Go all for love. We're going for love. For beating hearts off the charts. Love. Go all for love. We're going for love.
What do you do? This riding is not include my ticket, okay? So everybody, we are arrived the Kuala Lumpur.
Hi everybody, so we are like 30 minutes away. Kala mo talaga naka-jeep lang ako, no? Pero alam nyo ba, I'm super duper proud of this moment right now. Kasi pinaghirapan talaga namin yung Usirto. Talagang post kami ng contents, post kami ng reels. Kaya if you've noticed the last time, every time that someone was sending us stars, I'm always thankful. I'm always telling them like, you don't know how much this means to us. Because really at that very moment, talagang we are really planning and saving up for this moment. So to those who supporting us, lalo na sa mga nagbibigay ng mga stars dyan, sa mga nanonood, nagda-like, nag-share, thank you all very much. Buzzer is asking me a question about something. Okay, babe, go.
Don't be shy, okay? My question is that the aeroplane go down on the road. He will take jump. Yes, slowly. Because I'm scared that he will jump and I.
Seryoso pa siya, babe. How will the plane go How will the plane go down? Sabi niya, it will jump.
This is my small question. And he laughing to me.
Are you scared? Why you closed your eyes? Are you scared?
I see this and then I feel go down. But
Going down now.
okay.
It's like sliding. Ouch. Sakit, babe. Ano ba?
I will.
Yeah, it's okay. Pinipisa mo rin ako yun. Are you sure? Sure.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, but now we are inside the plane, but advance.
Advance. Listen
I'm too
na.
much scared,
You,
too much pain. Everybody, everything, the planes do like this, and you know better.
listen na. You want to know how the plane go down, right?
I'm better now.
Yeah, yun na. Okay na. Just wait for a few minutes. You will know how the plane goes now.
Yeah. On almost 5 hours. I don't know how is the plane ride. I come cool. But now near to Kuala Lumpur station airport, the plane is like. What do you do? This riding is not include my ticket, okay? I will
The head pain.
head pain also, eyes pain also, and the book also, and also everything is
The ear click.
Yeah, ear click. It's not good.
Nahihilo na siya.
You see, I feel. I see the outside.
Yeah, city.
Very low. Kuala Lumpur is
Listen,
front.
I'm watching you. I'm sleepy. You remember the Fast and the Furious?
What's that?
The wheels. You remember the Fast and the Furious? When they're fighting, remember?
And you know where? The landing is good, babe.
Yeah.
The landing is good only.
Are you sure?
Yeah, only few seconds. It's good. Oh, no.
Pinipisa niya yung kamay ko.
What are you doing, Funky?
Bas. The plane is landed, babe. That's it. Oh.
Stop now. You want to make me cry? Landing stop.
Look na. The road. Oh. Welcome, babe. Calman.
Now we go straight.
Yeah.
Then stop.
But
This
slowly,
is
slowly.
long process. I want to see front.
Listen to the engine.
I will go to the pilot. I want to see front.
Nakarating din. Shucks. Kuala Lumpur na kami. Careful, babe. Binagsak sa mukha ko. We've arrived. Babe. Welcome. Hi. Hi.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. So everybody, Alhamdulillah, we arrived in Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Mahirap siyang bigkasin.
This is iPhone.
Welcome to Malaysia. Carousel 9. Okay. Everybody, welcome to
Kuala Lumpur.
Parang sayan. Na-achieve namin ni Usir yung plano namin na mag-travel internationally. DIY lang lahat to, mami.
Mommy.
Kinakabahan ako kasi diba ang dami nagsasabi dapat kapag
Ano?
Pakistani, ano sila.
Ano?
Okay, let's go na. Go.
I will write now.
Yeah.
Sure.
Video call din na, video call family na. Tawagan mo na dali. You can announce now. We can announce now. Finally!
Hello.
Babe, welcome to
Kuala Lumpur.
Malaysia!
Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
Pwede meeting na kami! Talaga naman! First ever international travel. Go! Call na Suheb. Call your brother. Call your mother. Call everyone.
Sure.
Yes.
How many person?
Too much. Masaya yan. Happy yan. Babe, straight. Happy yan. Nasa Malaysia na yan siya. Mami.
Mama, Mami, asa Malaysia na ako.
We have arrived kasi wala akong cash. Buti kilala ko yung receptionist dito. Sabi ko, pahiram lang ako ng pera muna. How are you? Can I borrow 60? I don't have. Shit. Yes, everything is okay. Thank you. Shit. Pagkarating mo ng Malaysia, nanghihiram ka ng pera. Gusto mo yan? Helas. Babe, only get, no, I will bring this. Because this one is very heavy. Let's go. Babe, this is, trust me na, this is too much high. Give me. Yes, look, it's 3rd floor. Kaya ko to, babe. Masyado mo akong binababaihang treatment eh. Oh, look. Oh. That's why I know I can help you na. Huwag tayong abuso. Alam mo kasi, before when I started traveling, ayoko ng mga pa-babing meet, yung mga jowa. So, ang dami ko na-meet na pag-jowa, pinagbubuhat talaga nila yung jowa nila. Ay, cancel sa akin, ma. Ako talagang bit-bit ako. Ayoko ng pa-baby masyado. We have arrived. Pagod na kami.
Sorry,
Pagod na siya, sorry. Bukas tayo magkita-kita. Si Usel, sarang ulo. Tinan mo, nakapayong mo.
I cannot open this.
Ayaw niyang iwanan yung payong. Nasa baba kami. Pababa na kami. Sabi niya, saan yung payong? Sabi niya yung payong, umbrella. Sarang ulo. Hi, it's our... Aray, ano ba ito? Parang may nakasabit sa akin. Hi, it's our 2nd day here in Malaysia. And we are meeting my sister at Francis
Candy!
Sabi, Francis Candy. Ang tari naman ng Francis
Francis
Candy.
Candy.
Let's go. You know how you will know if they're Filipino or no? We have good outfit. Magaling kaming manamit. Ay, pinagmamalaki ko talaga si Osel. Magaling mag-ayos sa mga Pilipino. Magaling tayong manamit. Hindi naman sa pag-ano, pero malalaman mo pag Pilipino, maporma yan. Maayos. I told him 7-Eleven.
Francis is there?
I told him to go here because we don't have the internet yet. Remember, we're too much tired. We did not buy the SIM card.
So everybody, we are waiting to the Francis Candy.
Francis Candy.
We are waiting him coming after 2-3 minutes and we make vlog, hiding vlog, okay? Let's
Parang gusto ko mag-watch.
see waiting for the Francis Candy. He's coming.
Let's go.
Yo!
Stay na kami. Teka lang, baka may yellow fever ka, Teres. Talaga na ba? Ha?
Tapos may 7-Eleven.
Kaya nga. Dito
Meron doon sa...
Oo.
Meron doon.
Inikot ko. Sorry, kayo mo lang na-realize.
How are you, my husband? Candy! Welcome! Ang ganda ng practice talaga natin.
O, diba? Ah, ano ba? Ha? Ha? Nabulok yung damit ko sa Pakistan, ma. Kumusta naman yung Ethiopia? Sabi niya, kamukha yung mga taga-Ethiopia. Oh,
Ethiopia kasi.
oh. Ganun din yun. Pareho din. Hindi pa nakita si Francis, sorry.
Nice to see you guys in a different country.
Ay,
Nice
together.
to see you again.
Tara na, ma.
First time ko siya makasama sa vlog.
How was your tour?
I learned a lot.
Super nag-enjoy ako.
And it's so expensive.
I know this.
Buti ko sa kanya sinasabi mo. Sabi ko, baby, know how much the vaccines.
3 days, 60,000 pesos.
Sinasabi ko sa kanya lahat yan, ma.
60,000 pesos, 3 days.
Yes.
I told you,
Too
I
much
told you how many
expensive,
dollars,
no?
no? Ma, welcome back.
Diba? I'm so happy. Nagkita-kita tayo.
Truly, from Pakistan to Malaysia.
Welcome back.
Ay, ganda. Mati na mo kanina dala niya sa kamay.
Payong.
Ayaw iwanan, ma. Ayaw niya daw umitim. Sarang ulo.
Kasi nga to sa kanya, no?
Kaya nga.
Galing pala kayo sa lamig.
Yesterday, once more.
O, ayan o. Welcome. Ni hao.
Ay,
Yes, Kong Heng.
ito na yung totoong nihaw.
Ni hao, chumi chum
Pwede ba?
chu.
Wala, nagawa ko na.
Si Francis yun ang ulo
Oh,
minsan.
mayaman kami. Oh, ito. Oh. Kaya ako talaga kami pinapunta dito para bigyan kayo ng yaman.
Ay,
Ito ang ating gold bars.
tala. Ang taray naman pala, babe. Yung mga pang-welcoming.
So everybody, welcome to Chinatown.
Babe, do you want BJ?
How much?
BJ.
Wala!
And me the Francis Candy.
Hi!
And
Francis what?
Francis Candy.
Candy.
Candy lang pala. Taray, sweet.
Bless.
Mahal kasi dito yung shorts, mura lang sa Thailand yan eh.
Kala ko tagal.
Okay, be, kahit ko na laman yung chan, ma.
Iinuin naman natin doon eh. Ito lang ang sa kanila.
Okay, go.
Red coconut. Excuse me.
Ay, sorry.
Wala ba? Gusto niyo ba ng BJ?
Ayun na.
Ito nga pala si Francis, hindi ba edit yung mga away-away namin? Yung mga kamalditan. Kung si Usar lang ang tolerate. Babe, do you want BJ?
How much?
BJ.
Wala! Babe, do you want BJ?
Wala.
Buko juice! Ayaw niya.
Sabi niya,
Two pieces
Hello? Ha?
ice inside.
Oh, babe, let's eat here. I like.
Sa kabila.
Man, dito na lang. Kahit saan, ay parang carry lang. Parang
Doon lang tayo kay ate. Oh.
mas maraming option dito.
Maraming option dito. Doon tayo tama kay ate.
Vlogger ka, no?
Ay, hindi po siya.
Sila din po vlogger.
Yung kaptama ng
Hello po.
Ay, ganun po eh.
Ay, hello po.
Ay, po kuya. Vlogger.
Tatakbo po kaming kandidato. Kadadating.
Ay, sorry sa vlog. Babe,
Kadadating. Ano? Di mo naman ako kilala, kuya eh.
Catherine Bernardo ka sa amin.
Catherine Bernardo po. Sarap, dami pagkain. O, babe, mamili ka. Sige, I told you we like fish with sauce. Ayaw mo niyan, right? Fried chicken lang kakainin nito, sure ako. Nakikita ko na itsura niya.
Ha?
Fried chicken lang kakainin nito. Ah, babe, they have roti pala, oh. Iniisip ko na agad kung nagkakainin niya. Go, ma! Oh.
Ano to ba ba yan?
Wow.
Ma, hindi ko rin alam, to be honest.
Francis.
Grabe, kagigising ko lang kanin, hindi ko kaya. Sana pala na lang sa favorite restaurant ko, ma. Ano po ba?
So everybody, this is our food or mixed food.
And look.
You know, I want Pakistani food, and here is not available. Here is only roti.
But you have to try it,
and,
ha?
Kadai, everything is little available. So we will try. So everybody, welcome to Chinatown. And me the Francis Candy.
Hi!
And
Francis what?
Francis Candy.
Candy.
Candy lang pala. Taray, sweet.
Let's visit the Chinatown. So everybody, finally we arrived. Jalan
Alor! Saan tayo punta?
Jalan Malo.
What is that? Babe, are you ready? Hindi niya alam ito ng Jalan Alor. Look! This is Jalan Alor, babe, oh. Hoy, dito kami sa Jalan Alor. Lakad-lakad lang. Laban. Oh, oh, oh. This is ready to Jalan Alor.
Belum, ano sige?
Let's go, maglakad-lakad tayo. Jalan Bulan. You know, babe, this is where I met Renesme. Renesme, if you're watching. Dito tayo unang nakita. He became one of my best friend. Ano pa yung best friend?
You know, everybody here is too much good view, too much. I like.
Babe, there is a good shawarma here.
Shawarma?
Yeah, there
Yeah.
is. But first we walk, then let's see.
Yeah.
But there's too much line. See the line, babe? The last time you were just watching this on the internet, now it's real. But maybe we'll come back there, but like little morning time, okay? You want to watch this?
Forget this cat.
You want to watch this?
Yeah.
Hello everybody! So ayun na nga, bago pa man kami mag food trip ni Uzer, inabutan na kami ng ulan. Ginulan Jalor kami sa Jalan Alor. Buti na nga lang ay nakapagpasyal pa kami ng kaunti sa Jalan Alor bago pa man bumuhos ang ulan. By the way, it's my second time here in Jalan Alor, kaya kung gusto niyong mapanood yung full episode ko dito before, pwede kayong pumunta sa aking YouTube channel tapos makikita niyo doon yung full experience ko last year. Anyways, ito nga pala yung mga pagkain na pwede mong makita dito sa Jalan Alor kapag bumisita ka. At kung hanap mo naman mga halal foods, don't worry kasi maraming halal na pagkain dito. At kung presyo naman yung pag-uusapan, sakto lang. Affordable naman sila. At yung totoo, masarap yung mga pagkain dito ha. Hindi lang talaga palangiti yung mga vendor, pero okay naman yung pagkain. So ayun na nga, umuwi na lang kami ni User at napag-desisyon namin na bumalik na lang bukas. And again, everybody please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel so I can continue sharing our travel journey to all of you guys. So Jalan Alor Part 2, here we go. Okay, everybody, continuation of our vlog. So, eto, nakapila kami ni User at the moment. Dito sa Chinese Roti Cameroon. O, ayan kami.
We are too much waiting and also hungry.
Yeah.
I want to eat all restaurant.
Ayan na. Ang sarap. Talaga naman.
Careful.
Ayan na.
Biryani.
Babe, this one, no onion? Oh, sorry. Ayan na, babe. 1 chicken, 2 beef. Ayan, pag roti, ganado ka. Pag ibang pagkain, nag-aaway tayo dahil ayaw mong kumain. Ito kami, everybody. Oh, ayan na.
Finally, bye. Let's go.
Ka.
Let's go take a side.
Kapag roti, excited
Let's
ka.
go,
Kapag
let's
ibang
go
pagkain,
on.
nag-aaway tayo.
Goodbye,
Show
fashion.
this, buy this na lang.
Again, line babe.
Excuse me, what are you buying? Special food. Kaya bumili kami ng Chinese roti. Binigyan kami ng voucher sa we drink.
This is like bonus clip.
Yes.
Ang sarap.
Ang sarap. Bigyan excited na ako. Gutom na ako.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
You want to eat?
I want to eat.
But why? You don't like. I know you don't like. Guys, ang sarap. Wallah. This is my first time advice for you. You want to good food eating? You come here, wallah. Ang sarap food is here.
Ang sarap.
This is you eat beef.
Yeah.
So chicken also.
Now this is the name. Well, everybody, this is the continuation of our day for today's video. So we were invited to eat somewhere in a Pakistani restaurant. So we'll head there. sorry.
Little more after.
Sorry. So ayun, we're on our way to eat in a Pakistani restaurant. Let's go.
We are walking in Bukit Bintang.
Gusto ko to. So yun everybody, we are just walking around Bukit Bintang. Babe, what do you think about the place?
This is really amazing place.
You like it?
Yeah.
Same your
Why
culture
not?
or no?
No, it's totally different.
Both beautiful but different, right?
Yeah.
What's good in your culture?
Everything.
Okay, what do you like here? What culture do you like here?
I like the manners.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Like what?
Like teaching, everything is same here, but here is more beautiful places.
Alive.
Alive, yeah.
Yeah.
And everything is good here.
Yeah, you like
Yeah.
it.
So everybody, I feel too much good here because here is too much good. Everything, every place is good. Everything is good. You see the shops and
Yeah,
everything
too much
is
people,
here.
no?
Yeah, too much people come here out of countries. Like, yeah. I like very much. This.
Yeah.
So everybody, this is a too much popular dancing place here. Yeah, everyone is singing here and dancing. So we come here. Too much enjoying here now.
Babe, look at the line now.
Yeah. Again,
Now
it's
it's too
too much. You know, everybody, today we ate this. It's too much delicious.
This afternoon.
Wallah, I like very much. This is too much delicious. And
And
I
I'm busy.
try again. Maybe tomorrow, inshallah.
Again?
Yeah. I like na.
Dito na kami. Kaya man.
Now, yes.
Babe, look that kumain ka ng marami, ha? Babe, you will not get hungry later. Eat now.
Okay, done.
Ayaw, kakayain mo na naman ako ng alas 2 ng madaling araw para kumain. I don't know. But I am sure I want pulaw. May kumain ka nun? Ay, marami kong kinakain yan doon. May eto ako, mahal. Ano to? Chicken mix? Ano to? Chicken mix? Ano yan? Okay, go. Kumuha ka niyan.
You want this chicken?
No, you taste first and I will get later for me.
Okay.
Gusto ko mag-normal rice.
Okay.
You get roti labok.
Wait now.
Kuya naman. Gulat ako
You
sa'yo,
done?
kakaloka ka.
Excuse me, how many stomach?
I don't know.
How many stomach here?
It's free, I get more.
Baby, you want beef korma? I get you. Only
They
chicken.
must finish this, na, then
We come back.
we more. Yeah.
Okay.
And also these beans, little beans. Very good. Yes.
Oh, you get na. Ay, more?
Little one. Bas.
Hoy, kumain tayo.
Ang sarap.
Ito ang aking nakain. Kakainin.
February, this is halim, and this is mixed.
Everybody, so that's gonna be it for now. Again, thank you for watching the second episode of our Malaysia vlog and our first international travel as couples. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you will be updated on our next ganaps here in Malaysia.
Why you not finish this?
Wait now.
Wait.
Here we go.